Hi folks, Nathan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can blur lower levels in the Arkenforge Toolkit when working with multi-level maps. Before this one, we're going to be using the new blur placement option, which you can find under map building and blur. So what we want to do first is head up one level. So here we're on level 1 of our tavern, and we're going to go to map building and blur, and start placing blur if you don't see this little white box around. And then we're just going to zoom out and click and drag this over the map. So you can see to start with that this has blurred everything on this map level, but that's not what we want to happen. We want it to only blur the things that are underneath. So the blur is treated the same as every other object in the toolkit, so we're just going to go up here to our layering options, go move to terrain layer, and then move it to the bottom. So that's going to move it underneath everything else that's on this map level, but still be on top of everything that's on the lower levels. So you can see here, as we go up and down, that blur is going to be visible. And what I'm going to do next is select my blur, go Control C, go up one level and Control V, move it into place. And now we can see that the blur is going to get more blurry as we move up and down our levels. If you want to change the amount of blur that this does, you can select it, or select the blur I should say, go to Customize and Blur, and then adjust the blur strength. So if you only want a light blur, we can bring it down to say 0.25. If you want a heavy blur, you can go up to 2. And especially if you're looking to compound the blur effect, just move this one here also to the terrain layer, then we can get quite a lot of blur happening as we move up and down. But that's all for this tutorial. I hope that this helps you add that little bit of extra immersion when you're dealing with multi-level maps, especially if you're looking at, say, large cliffs or things that are overhanging a scene. Yeah, I will see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.